Wagwan my people, bless up everybody. Welcome back to Jamaican Chat. And you don't see Wagwan is a late night video this. We are drop on the people them. And you don't see how we kick off the evening so we're in a good mood everybody. And that news are exciting. So make a beg everybody stay up on the video and hear Wagwan exactly. Shenseea, me never gonna get into it. In words, me have the video, everything. Me could just go and listen to some Jashi before we get into it, people.
We are the future, can't defeat we.
Young people, the vibes at turn up. Big up yourself, Jashi. Anyway, you're there. Alright, my people, and we have the news here for you. We have the update here for you. So everybody knows say yesterday was the VMAs, right? Yesterday was the VMAs and Shenseea was there, my people. So she was there and she was fully decked out. Top suit. You must can see what going on the screen right now. She was fully decked out and she was done by Marc Jacob, people. And also she was, they got her on the red carpet. I think it was the shade room. Got her on the red carpet and they them jump up in a people business, try to question her, and they asked her about London on the track. And let me drop that video here for people so they can see how she answer the question there.
Okay, we gotta ask you, girl, why you be taking your wig off like that?
I like you. You've been on point. I'm just very impatient, to be honest. I can't wait to rip this one off between me and you.
Does it hurt your edges?
It doesn't, because actually I've been doing this for years. I just started videoing it.
What?
Yes.
Oh my God. And you know it's the shade room, so we gotta ask. Is London on the track your boyfriend?
Why did she do that? I'm gonna answer you next time.
Next time.
Yeah, my people, that are the update I have for you today. And tell me what you think about that. Did Shenseea shade London on the track? Or was she just trying to be professional, people, and don't want the people them up in her personal business? Or you don't know she's a public figure, she's a celebrity? Is it just one of those answers, the public figure answers, the celebrity answer, yeah, keep out, nobody pry, or whatever? Or, maybe there's nothing between them. Or maybe there's something between them that she doesn't want to, publicize, so to speak. Alright, my people, but that is why we are here, the Jamaican Chat. Make we get the chat section active, people, and tell me how you feel about it. Alright? Yes, so me I go jump off, people, for the rest of the day, and bless up everybody. Keep safe travel always, and thank you, Jamaican Chat. Big up.